For this video, I'm going to be drawing an egg. You'll notice that the materials I use are not expensive. You can pick them up at any office supply store. I think one of the things that always bothered me about art classes is that some of the teachers would make you get very expensive supplies that they really liked using, and then you were stuck using them too, and sometimes they're often difficult to get. So I'm not doing that. I'm using a piece of masonite to draw on. Masonite is it's sawdust board basically that they glue together. They use it for the back of cheap shelving units and things, but you can get it at any supply store, but a clipboard works fine. So here I'm timing the 1 hour drawing. I'm making these drawings smaller just to be able to get them done, get a pretty well realized drawing within a short amount of time. So the size of the paper is 5 by 7. So again, I'm using just regular mechanical pencils. The reason I like mechanical pencils better is you don't have to sharpen them. Just click the button a couple times and they go. So here's the index cards that I use. These are just pretty standard index cards. They're initially they're 5 by 8 inches, and then I trim off the last inch so I can fit them into the portfolio that I keep them in. So again, I'm trying to keep the cost down. You can get a pack of 100 of those for I think about $3. This is the Itoya portfolio. They're nice. I think I paid $6-7 for that thing. Nice thing about putting them in these, it stops the graphite from smudging off as opposed to if you keep them in a regular sketchbook. Here's one that I'm currently using just to keep my current drawings in. These are drawings I did last year in 2017. I didn't do a lot of drawing in 2017, apparently. These are hard postcard holders that are also 5 by 7. I like using those for drawings that I give away or ship. So I'm using an oval guide. I'm speeding this drawing up. I think it's running at maybe 10 times actual speed. I time the drawings. I'm doing an egg just from imagination. I don't have any reference. I'm just doing it from my head. One of the things that I'm showing, the reason I'm showing these drawings sped up like this is I want to emphasize that when you're doing a drawing, it's a good idea to bounce around the drawing, to work the whole drawing and develop it organically. So I'm working on the object, I'm working on the background, I'm working on the foreground. In the foreground, the shadow that's underneath the egg is called the cast shadow. Again, I think the reason I'm making these things is just to kind of show the process of drawing and just give some insight about how you develop a drawing in stages. It sped up really fast. I condensed an hour's worth of drawing into under 2 minutes. Attached to this video is a template that you can use. Not a template, it's like a reference that it's the final version. I scanned it in and turned it into a PDF file for you guys to print if you're interested, if you want to copy it. And that's in the links down below. Well, that's it. I hope you liked it. I'm going to be doing, my next one is going to be a drawing of a hand. And I'm going to try to produce maybe 1 or 2 of these a week. More if I have time, less if I don't. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for looking.